Many places around the world are going back into lockdown now. You can see very few people out and about in London today as a nationwide lockdown went into effect there. Many people are asking, will that happen here?
Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with a doctor about this record and a business that's been worried about what may happen should Oregon have to reinstate a lockdown. Drew?
Yeah, the restaurant owner I spoke with says not only has this pandemic taken an emotional toll on those who work in the restaurant industry, but of course it's also had a big financial impact as well. While the governor says that while there's been no word from the governor's office about a potential closure, he says if there was another lockdown, he would have to close some of his restaurants.
It's just too demoralizing to open and close and open and close.
Will Oregon remain open or go back to a baseline stay-at-home phase? Many, including business owners, are wondering this after the Oregon Health Authority reported 805 new COVID-19 cases Thursday, the highest daily count since the pandemic started.
We know we put aside the money to survive at least through June, but now it kind of feels like all of this work might be in jeopardy. Because if the state shuts everybody down again, and we have to close down.
Kurt Huffman owns several restaurants in Portland and says their current state of survival isn't necessarily a financially sound situation to be in.
We're anywhere from just better than break even to probably losing 5 to 10 grand a month. So in those circumstances, we're totally fine to lose 10 a month if the alternative is closing and having to cover, $20,000 of overhead.
With cases on the rise, local doctors are concerned too, especially during flu season.
This is a warning sign of what's to come, and people should take this surge seriously. Our COVID cases go up significantly in the hospital. We're going to move into flu season kind of with one hand tied behind our backs.
Dr. Melinda Muller, the chief medical officer at Legacy Health, says she thinks a state closure could be helpful, but reminds people they also have to do their part too.
I think it could. I'll obviously defer that to the governor, but I think more it would help if we're really following all the rules, wearing masks, doing physical distancing, limiting groups, washing hands, wash hands, wash hands.
We reached out to the governor about the record number of cases reported today, but her office directed me to a statement sent out today with the Oregon Health Authority's release. It reads in part, "We can't let up now. I will take further action to stop the spread of COVID-19, and I need Oregonians to continue to do their part as well." Governor Brown will have a press conference tomorrow, and we'll have that here on Fox 12. Reporting live in Southeast Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.